Hey there guys, Govind here from Scano. So I'm working on a track today and I've got this little snippet that I'm going to make you listen to. I want to add something to the transition section going from this section to the next. Let's just see what we're missing first and we'll take it from there. So yeah, this bit I want to use something organic, not a synth in this instance. So I've chosen a foley sample which sounds like this. So yeah, I just got a lot of crunch, a lot of high frequencies as well. So which I particularly want in this region here. So I'll just drop this sample into the simpler device. So I'm going to be using this Max for Live device called Hold, which allows me to manipulate the warp parameters of the simpler. So I'm going to go into textures mode here. I'm going to bring down the flux and let's stretch the sample first all the way, and then we can go ahead and map the LFO device to the grain size. And I don't want it going down to 0, so I'll just have minimum percentage at 12. Pretty interesting. Let's add some reverb and delay, and also I'll pitch it up further to say 24 semitones, and I'll take up the filter frequency, the cutoff frequency, and also modulate the cutoff with the LFO with the slow rate, say 4 bars. Bring up the resonance and let's see what we have now. Cool. Let's also map the pitch to the same LFO and let's try changing the shape of the LFO now. I want it going down in pitch from further up. So I want a saw coming down. Slower rate even. Alright, now let's hear it with the track. Neat. I'll add a bit of 6000 to this, not much, and we'll compress a bit.
Ganja making ready.
So I'll just go ahead and record this, and maybe I'll tweak it even further, maybe not. Let's see. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Cheers.